In previous lecture we have discussed the balancing of chemical reaction, but the question arises why the chemical equation is needed to balance. 9th क्लास में हमने टॉपिक किया था लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास. बस यही इसका आंसर है. टू सेटिस्फाई द लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास we must balancing the chemical reaction because it states that mass can neither be created nor be destroyed. If the total number of atoms on both side equal, both side means reactant side and product side, then mass will be equal. Now we will proceed a 3 marks question. What are the method to stepwise the chemical equation balancing? Stepwise method. We will take one example and the question is given: burning of magnesium ribbon in the presence of air gives the white powder of magnesium oxide. Write this equation in stepwise method. क्वेश्चन दोबारा रिवाइंड करके पॉज करके फिर से सुन सकते हो. राइट द इक्वेशन in word form. This is the first step, that is magnesium plus oxygen, it will form magnesium oxide. Second, write the equation in the symbolic form. Magnesium symbol Mg, oxygen symbol O2, magnesium oxide MgO. Third step, write the total number of atoms on left hand side and right hand side. Magnesium is 1, oxygen is 2. Here magnesium is 1 and oxygen is 1. Now to balance the oxygen on right hand side, it is multiplied by 2, and to balance the magnesium on left hand side, it is multiplied by 2, which can be written as this one. Magnesium multiplied by 2, and here oxygen multiplied by 2. Magnesium is also 2. Now the total number of atoms on left hand side, magnesium 2, oxygen 2. Similarly, magnesium 2, oxygen 2 on right hand side. So this equation is called as a total number of atoms on both sides are equal, so it is called the balanced chemical equation. तो ये हमारे पास क्या हो गई, बैलेंस्ड केमिकल इक्वेशन हो गई, जिसमें दोनों एटम्स टोटल नंबर ऑफ एटम्स इक्वल है. नाउ द टाइप्स ऑफ केमिकल इक्वेशन. Types of chemical equations. There are the following types of chemical equation. Following types of a chemical equation. Here, number 1, combination. In the combination, what is combination? It is just like a combining process. For example, when A combine with B to form AB, means when two or more substances combine to form a single substance. When two or more substances combine to form a single substance, this reaction is called combination reaction. For example, magnesium react with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. ये हमने पीछे रिएक्शन में किया ही था. दो से मिलके एक बन गया, इसे कॉम्बिनेशन कहते हैं. कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड रिएक्ट विद वाटर टू फॉर्म कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो एक्टिविटी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. लेट अस प्रोसीड दिस एक्टिविटी. In this activity, we take a small amount of calcium oxide or quicklime in the beaker. Slowly add the water to this here and touch the beaker. What do you feel? Here the temperature is rises and the two substances are combined. Due to combining calcium oxide and water, it will form calcium hydroxide, which is also called slaked lime, and here it is called quicklime. These two substances of reactant combine to form single product. It is also called combination reaction. But here, as we touch it, the reaction mixture hot, so it is also release the heat, and those chemical reaction which release the heat are also called as a exothermic reaction. Calcium oxide water के साथ react किया, calcium hydroxide बना, and this is a exothermic reaction. Next type of reaction we will discuss in next video.